Okay guys, so where are we headed today?
Alhambra.
Okay, and what's going to go on in Alhambra?
I'm going to hang out with my friend.
And, okay. What are you guys planning on doing? Yeah, but I mean hang out doing what? What? Okay. What do you guys want to eat at? I'll go with you guys to eat so I can talk to Nathan, okay? And then you guys can hang out and then we'll meet up. But I'll have to stay out in Alhambra area. No movie today, huh? Okay. What is this guy doing? Turning left in that lane. The 10 left 2 lanes, the 5, the 60 right lanes. There's Nathan right here. Say hi, Nathan. Aaron, that's up. Donovan. We're over here at, what's this place called? Blaze Pizza. You can make your own pizza. Here's the menu right here. Add a drink for $1. I take 2 half pizza, side salad, cheesy bread. You can make your own pizza right here. Alright, the boys are gonna order, so I gotta help them out. So they got salad here. Looks like they got the fresh berry salads, classic Caesar, classic red sauce for the pizza, garlic pesto sauce, white cream sauce, spicy red sauce, feta, gorgonzola. Goat,
I heard you have to like salt
shredded mozzarella,
it's like salt bucket.
Yeah.
ricotta, bologna, mozzarella, parmesan, grilled chicken, Italian sausage, Italian meatballs, pepperoni, smoking. It's kind of like Subway. You put they make the customize it the way you want it. Mushroom, interesting. Salami, fresh basil, oregano, pineapple, banana peppers, jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, green bell peppers, artichoke, red onions, red peppers. And then you got your drinks over here that you can choose from. I got beer here. If you want beer, you can get Modelo IPA, Coors Light, Heineken, White Claw. Sorted. Very nice. It says, congratulations, $5 off for you when you buy 25 cents in gift cards. Or $25 in gift cards. Alright, and if you want to have it delivered online orders, it's right here. This is the Caesar salad that I got. It's the smaller one. I think it's like $6. It's like a side Caesar salad. And I just noticed that they actually do have water in the dispenser. So I could have just gotten water, a cup for water, but it's okay. There they have them cooking over there. Now here's the pizza, 6-piece, 6-slice pizza.
I'm about to eat it.
Blaze Pizza. This is pepperoni. Donovan, how is it?
Good.
You like it? Thumbs up?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Aaron, how is it? Hot? How do you like it, Aaron?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. All right, so this is Blaze Pizza. This is just where we ate The pizza was actually pretty good since it was made fresh. And it's right next to Habit. So we're in Alhambra and this is Blaze Pizza. Okay, I'm on the corner of Main and Garfield in the city of Alhambra. There's Edwards Theater right there. And Applebee's, Baja Cali. And we have the Alhambra Place Mall here. Big Catches right there. A lot of different restaurants right across the street. You can see we have an optometrist and Road to Soil Barbecue. And it's open. So how many cards did you get in total?
You guys know how to open them?
Donovan, how many cards did you get in total? Huh? 3 each? You guys splitting up 6? A total of 6? So 3 each.
You know how to do it, like the opening one?
Oh.
You didn't get it. Oh, actually, yeah. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is like, so you get at least 3.
This is 3 or 4?
3.
3 or 4.
And then put in the back.
Okay. Alright, no crease then, y'all.
Wait, is it in the back? No, don't you feel like...
No, I'm pretty sure it's 4. Yeah, it's 4. It's 4, okay. Because they added an extra energy card. Oh, my last card is trash already.
Oh,
Bro,
let's go.
I got it so wrong. Dude. Okay, well, we got in view.
Dude, y'all are lucky.
Alright, sleeve it up, bro.
Already?
Sleeve it up.
We don't have sleeves.
Here you go.
Ooh, did you get it?
Yeah, we got new.
Nice.
I got a new
Take
V.
this.
Oh, wait, you got one too?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I'm moving now.
Alright, let me sleeve it up, y'all. Let me sleeve it up.
And next one? Which one did I open?
Hey, throw that trash away, Donovan. Don't let it.
Stop littering.
Yeah, don't litter.
Oh, wait.
Okay, Donovan?
Sleeved it up.
Wait, yours and then...
So Donovan got the best cards out of all you guys, huh?
Yeah.
You lucked out. It was the luck of the draw.
Uh-oh. You want that thin?
Yeah, of course I do, bro.
After a long day of hanging out, Aaron, Donovan, and Nathan decide they want to get ice cream. And we're over here at Afters
Yeah.
Ice Cream. Look at the ice cream they have here. I think Aaron got 1 scoop of mango sorbet and milk and cereal. Oh, actually it repeats itself, doesn't it? French toast, churro, chocolate cookie, Madagascar vanilla, milk and sugar cookies. Nice. Very good. So they have ice cream bars for $5 each. Floats $6.75. That looks really good. Milkshakes $8.25 at Sundays at $6. Very good. And they got the sodas here too. Here's the sizes. They got the pint, quarter. Merch too, if you guys want to get merch. All right, so we have the ice cream here. Nathan, what kind of ice cream did you get?
Oh, I got milk and cereal.
Milk and cereal? That's interesting. That was like $8.75 or something. Aaron, what did you get?
Milk and cereal and mango.
Sorbet. And Donovan, what did you get?
Cookie Monster ice cream.
Huh?
Cookie Monster ice cream.
All right. And how does it taste? Good? All right. Excellent.